Welcome to now Vauxhall. Here today we have a Vauxhall CASCADA SE 2-litre CDTI model, 2-door convertible with an automatic transmission finished in asteroid grey metallic. This car was registered in September 2013 and as you can see is on a 63 plate. This car has a warranted mileage of 31,594 miles. It has a CO2 figure of 163, which is £185 annual road tax. This Cascada is fitted with daytime running lights to aid visibility. Moving around to the side of the Cascada, body coloured door mirrors and door handles, fully electronically opening soft top roof, SE alloy wheels in great condition, moving around to the rear of the Cascada. This is fitted with rear parking sensors to aid the perfect park, also fitted with a chrome rear tailpipe as well as chrome detailing on the rear tailgate. Generous boot space if the roof is folded up. Electronically folding rear seats. Moving over to the interior, just to confirm the mileage for you, 31,594 miles. Into the rear of the Cascada, full cloth interior in great condition. Twin cup holder in the centre, also fitted with rear ISOFIX points as standard. Generous legroom. Moving over to the driver's side, full cloth interior also in great condition. Multifunctional leather steering wheel with the cruise control and speed limiter, as well as audio controls. Down the centre we have the parking sensor distance controls, and an FM and AM radio, built-in air conditioning. We also have a USB connectivity and auxiliary for audio purposes. Down the centre we have an electronic handbrake, as well as the controls for the electric opening roof. Many features in the Cascada to make the drive even more enjoyable. This is an now approved vehicle and will come with a 3 months comprehensive warranty. You can reserve this vehicle online with a £100 no cover deposit or call our internet sales team to arrange a convenient appointment. If you're thinking of finance, we are confident we can beat any high street lender with our flexible dealer funding plans. Thank you for visiting now Vauxhall. We hope to see you soon.